Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my joyful subbies. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designz brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So before I get started, I want to let you know that I am participating in a What Would You Make open collaboration with host Brenda with Rustic and Lace DIY, Christine DIY Craftaholic, aka Designz, and also guest host Barbara with Country Lily Decor. I'll give you a little bit more about this collaboration in a few minutes. So guys, in my first DIY, I am going to be creating a butterflies in a bottle. So what I'm doing is taking this wood wine bottle that you could find at the Dollar Tree, and I am giving it a coat of that Snow White paint by Waverly. It is a craft paint, chalk paint, and I am just giving it one little coat of that, and then I'm taking some of that Martha Stewart olive color paint, and I am just giving it a one coat of that paint. I am not worried about full coverage for this because we will be covering this piece in Spanish moss, and all I'm doing is making sure that this piece is dry. And anywhere where there was the hole at the top and paint bled through, I just clear that up because I need to keep that area clean so that I can reapply the hanger that came with this piece. And in order for the peat moss or the Spanish moss to stick, I did use some Mod Podge, and as you can see, I'm just dabbing it. And at first I was going a little light, and then I said, well, you know, I need to get this a little bit heavier. Now this DIY just came to me last minute. I really didn't have any forethought about this. As a matter of fact, for all of my projects today, I just put them together, and you know, as the design came to me, I just created it. So you got to let me know what you think in the description or in the comment section of this video. So guys, as I stated, I am participating in a What Would You Make collaboration, and the premise of this collaboration is to create projects using wood. You can create your own, design your own. You just let your imagination roll and just come up with some projects that we could bring to you, our subscribers, and hopefully you can take some inspiration and recreate some of these. So there will be a playlist in the description section of this video. So please make sure you go and check out the host channel, and the host again is Brenda with Rustic and Lace. And then you have Christine, who recently changed her business name from DIY Craftaholic to Designz, as well as the guest host Barbara with Country Lily Decor. So I'm going to bring your attention right back to the video and what I did after I applied the moss to this piece. I took some of those boxwoods and glued them down, and then I'm taking these puffy stickers of butterflies that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I am just gluing those down on top of the leaves or the stems of the boxwoods. The boxwoods did come from Walmart, and now I am just reapplying the hanger that came with this piece. And the whole premise behind this was just to give you like a butterfly garden effect. And I thought this was very, very cute and unique. So again, make sure you leave me a comment as to what you think about this project. As far as any of the projects that you see on my channel, please let me know if you would recreate them. Again, I want to bring you back to the open collaboration, the host again, Brenda with Rustic and Lace DIY, Christine, DIY Craftaholic, aka Designz, as well as guest host Barbara with Country Lily Decor. So in this second DIY, I am taking this heart shape that I actually purchased from it was Hobby Lobby where I got this from. And I'm taking some of that pretty wallpaper that I had on my channel as a haul from Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure by now you guys have seen many hauls of this beautiful wallpaper, and I encourage you to go and, you know, if you like it, go and purchase some. It's so pretty and it really enhances your projects. And as you can see, I removed the backing, and then I am just making sure that I kind of form this to the bottom half of the piece. And initially I wasn't going to apply any of this wallpaper to the top, but then the more and more I looked at this piece, I thought I needed to do a little bit more to it. And as you can see, I am now adding adding a strip of that satin ribbon, and I actually was just measuring it out at this point. And then I'm just trying to see what the placement would look like if I was to add the wallpaper to the top half of this piece. And so I kind of liked it, so I said, well, you know what, I'm just gonna go with it. But before I did that, I had to actually I was going to paint the word home, and you'll see what I do with that. Actually, I'm behind in my clips, obviously. So I went on and I just applied the other half of the wallpaper to the top portion of the heart, and I'm just sanding off the excess just to make sure that it gives me a cleaner edge. And I really like the way this piece actually turned out. And guys, you gotta let me know what you think again about all of the projects that's in this video. So guys, I want to welcome you back to the channel. I want to welcome back all of my new subscribers, my returning subscribers, and if you are coming over from the playlist, hello guys, welcome to Joyful Designs. I am the Chief Crafter, Joy Fuller. I have been crafting since 2019, and I am glad to be here on YouTube sharing my talent with everyone who wants to see it. And I also am glad to be participating in this What Would You Make collaboration. Again, the host is Brenda with Rustic and Lace DIY, Christine with DIY Craftaholic, also known as Designz, as well as the guest host, Barbara with Country Lily Decor. So now we're moving on to DIY number 3. And as you saw in the last clips of DIY number 2, I just painted the home word and applied it and glued it down in the middle. And as I was stating with the DIY number 3, I am doing a ombre effect. I kind of just went with the colors that was in one of the stickers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree that I wanted to use in this project. And I am using some of that burnt umber paint by Apple Barrel, the white snow paint, which is a chalk paint by Waverly brand, and then I'm using some of that yellowish gold color paint that is a paint from Dollar Tree. It is a water-based paint, and I'm just blending all of those in. No method to the madness. I'm just, whatever made my eyes happy, I just went with it. Now this is where the struggle really came in. why come you DIYers did not tell me that this particular stickers was sticky and it was not user friendly? It took me a minute to get this to straighten out. And after I got it to lay down in a format, I was like, hey, this is it. I'm not trying to get it up. I was challenged, let me tell you. But nevertheless, I managed to get it down. And I think it turned out cute. And again, you got to let me know what you think about this project. I wanted to bring 3 different types of signs or decor pieces to the channel for this What Would You Make collaboration, for anyone that's wanting to get into crafting and needed an easier way or a cheaper way to create decor on a budget. So now you see that I've removed successfully these stickers from this piece, and now I'm taking these sunflowers that I actually purchased from Hobby Lobby. They are part of their fall collection, and I was able to get these for 40% off. They were originally priced $2.99, so if you look at $2.99 minus the 40%, that would tell you what I actually paid for this. I am reapplying the hangers to this piece, and guys, we are now at the reveal. I think this turned out very cute. It's very different, and that's why I call this one the butterflies in a bottle. So a play on message in a bottle if you didn't get it. And then here is the home sign. I think this is cute as well. I love how the colors just blend very well together. I think this is a very simple, inexpensive DIY for anyone to recreate. You know, someone just entering into the crafting world or those who have been in it for a while. And then here is the Blessed Family sunflower sign. And I really want to thank Brenda with Rustic and Lace DIY, Christine, DIY Craftaholic, as well as guest host Barbara with Country Lily DIY Decor for this collaboration. I really enjoyed myself, and guys, please make sure you check out the playlist that's in the description box of this video. Please make sure you're showing support to everyone who's participating in this collaboration, and please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out the host channel and tell them that Joy sent you. Be blessed.